was not filmed for clickbait. This was not filmed actually on purpose, and it's probably one of the most important moments of my life. My parents have never seen the shop. They haven't been here. They were able to see it this time just because they made a miscalculation on how close San Jose is to Ontario. We didn't strap in GoPros. We didn't film any sort of intro, but I want you guys to enjoy something that I think you all can relate to, showing your dad, who was one of the biggest critics on you purchasing rotary engines, having him be the first passenger in such an experimental vehicle.
For a ride, take one.
Okay. 25 miles an hour.
That's right, at most. Okay, we're ready. First passenger test. Ignition on, fuel on, water, radiator.
Is a car alarm going off over there now?
That's naturally aspirated, and we went less than 2,000 RPM.
I can't imagine.
Yeah,
you can just hear it. It's like, give me some gas.
Yeah, it wants to.
Oh my God, is that loud?
And that was with headphones on. I can't imagine. That was loud, and I expected to scare the shit out of me. We go to the mud. When it revved up to like 3,000, I was like, oh my God.
All the neighbors came out, a car alarm went off.
Yeah, I heard that too.
I'm sure all of the neighbors.
Oh, Rob's coming.
Yeah.
Like the machine. Wow. To think that is just a collection of pieces. It feels like a car. It's a car. But that's something that we built from the ground up. The tube chassis never existed before.
Now it's time for a front end alignment. Huh?
yeah, the alignment happened really bad.
Alignments?
We've never seen it. So a lot of you are going to say, hey, why isn't this video longer? Well, first of all, the drive was short on purpose, so I didn't blow up the car. We've got the Ateza system. A couple of my friends from Canada that were part of the Young Guns program with SEMA, we became friends through that, and they ended up having all the parts for the all-wheel drive system. Getting the all-wheel drive system working, it has been a very big concern of mine. Also, getting the fuel system wired up properly. Got a lot of fun things going on. You're going to see videos start cranking out daily again. It's just that it was really nice to have a nice little holiday weekend. It was really nice to have some downtime. Fresh approach back on the car.